Hello.
My name is Courtney.
My name is Tyler.
My name is Courtney. I'm single. Do you know who you're calling?
This is a payphone?
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I have no idea. This payphone was just ringing and I picked it up.
This is Forever 21 customer service.
Who?
This is Forever 21 customer service. I'm single, so I'm a little confused.
Yeah, I don't know. This is a payphone. It was ringing. I was walking past it, so I picked it up.
I'm single, so okay, what kind of drugs and drinks do you need?
What kind of drugs or drinks do I need?
Can I have your drugs and drinks, please?
I mean, I don't have a lot, but it depends on how much money you have.
I love drugs and drinks.
So do I. Who doesn't?
I would love to help
Really?
you further, but unfortunately, I have to get back to my job.
Okay. Well, enjoy your drugs and drinks.
Okay, sir. The thing is, sir, if you don't have any questions about the company or ordering anything, I would love to help you further, but unfortunately, I have to get back to my job.
Okay.
Well, sir, I think you should go take a nap. It is wherever you're at right now. It is 8 o'clock, almost 9 o'clock where I'm at right now.
It's totally not. It's 11 something. Here?
In California, it's 5:56, so I think you should go take a nap.
California, it's 5:56? No, it's not. That's not correct. I'm sorry. It's 9 o'clock.
I love you.
Hello?
Oh, my gosh. I love you.
What?
I love you. Oh, my gosh.
Oh, my gosh.
The thing is, sir, if you don't have any drugs and drinks.
I've got one of the two.
The thing is, sir, if you don't have any questions about drugs and drinks,
What is your preferred drug or
I
drink?
would love to help you further,
That's my
but
question.
unfortunately, I have to get back to my job.
So what is your preferred drug or drink?
California.
California. Okay. Makes sense. Totally makes sense.
21.
Yes. Correct.
I drank.
You drank.
I can't give you drugs and drinks.
Well, then why are you calling me?
No, I'm not calling you. Do you know who you're calling?
I answered the phone, first off.
No, this is not a joke. I wouldn't
agree.
be calling you.
I answered this phone.
I'm a little confused.
So am I.
I'm really confused what you're talking about.
It makes two of us.
I'm really confused.
All right, let's start over. My name's Tyler.
What do you need today? This is Forever 21 customer service. Okay, what is your question about your order?
Okay, first, how did you get this payphone number to prank call?
No, I'm not calling
pretty
you.
interested in this.
Am I calling you?
You called me.
No, I'm not calling you.
Okay, I answered a payphone that was ringing on the side of the street as I walked past.
You called us, so I'm really confused, as in, what do you need today?
What do you have to offer?
Did you call us or no?
No, somebody called this payphone, and I just answered it.
This is your second time calling again with a prank
That's a
call.
lie.
Please stop
Why would you
because
lie
if you
to
don't
me?
buy anything from our website or our store, I can't further help you. And I have no clue who you
That's a
are.
good indicator,
So, if you have any other help, I can help you and I can direct you somewhere else. But unfortunately,
Can you direct me to customer service, please?
This is Forever 21 customer service.
Can you direct me to, personal relations?
Okay.
Public relations? Sorry.
Unfortunately, I have to get back to my drugs and drinks.
What drugs and drinks is my question.
Drugs and drinks.
That's very vague of you.
The thing is, sir, if you don't have any drugs and drinks.
Do I have to have drugs and drinks, or drugs or drinks? Because that's the pivotal question here.
I drank.
You drank. What did you drink? I drank.
I can't give you drugs and drinks.
You can't? Then
Drugs
why
and
did
drinks.
you call me?
No, I'm not calling you.
You are calling me.
No.
Okay. There's some miscommunication somewhere.
I understand that you're single, but I'm really confused, as in, what do you need today?
What are you offering?
Drugs and drinks.
What drugs and drinks?
Drugs and drinks.
Do
I
you
love
have
drugs and
any
drinks.
peyote?
Okay. Okay. Huh?
Okay.
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 Okay, you're calling Courtney.
What?
My name is Courtney. I'm single.
Your name is Courtney?
Okay.
Okay.
Nothing really. What's going on with you?
Just hanging out. What about you?
California.
California.
My number is 848-9437.
848-9437.
Okay.
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 Can I have your order number, please?
My order number is 751-1364.
Okay. What do you need today?
I was trying to check the status of my order.
What do you need help with today, sir?
The status of my order?
Okay, what kind of help do you need?
I already told you, lady.
Okay, sir. The thing is, sir, if you don't have any questions about the company or ordering anything,
Okay. The thing is, you
I would love to
called me.
help you further. No, I'm not calling
The
you.
thing is, ma'am, if you don't have any questions or whatever else you said, you called me.
Do you
on
know
a
who you're
payphone.
calling?
How did you even get a payphone's number?
No, I'm not calling you.
You called me.
No.
Does it say the number on here? Yeah. 573-449-9415.
No.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah, like there's no way I'd be talking on a payphone this long if I called you. Unless I put in like $6.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Alright, here's my associate, Jake Law.